Hello everyone and welcome to Geography class. In this class we are going to talk and discuss the question answers part. So about the five presentations were the dividation of the chapter of the inside our earth. So in this sixth part we are going to see the exercise part. So our chapter is over and now we are moving to discuss the question and answer. So let's move. First, inside our earth, the chapter number 2, 5 segment already we did. In that, the last topic is remaining, topic number 6, exercise. My request to each and every one of you, please take a notebook and a pen to copy down the question and their answer. So moving further to discuss about the question. So when we are discussing any question and I am briefing its answer, so you please make the important point and later on you can frame in your own words the answer. Question number 1. So here we are having the questions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we are having 7 questions. In that we have to write the answer. First, answer the following question. So how you will answer? By seeing the question, what the question is asking to you. Question number 1 is asking to you, what are the 3 layers of earth? As we studied about the layers of earth in the first presentation, in the second presentation also recapitulation of this. So the 3 layers of the earth are crust, mantle and core. You will write the answer like this. The 3 layers of earth are crust, mantle and core. So the 3 layers of the earth are crust, mantle, core. Don't write directly the answer crust, mantle, core. Frame into the sentence the 3 layers of the earth are crust, mantle and core. Next, what is a rock? Already I have shown you the rocks in the previous presentations. Now is the time to talk about what is rock. So as the definition also clear, once again we are talking about what is rock. So the question is asking, what is a rock? So rock is a natural mass which is made naturally, natural mass of minerals, and it makes the earth crust. So what is rock? Rock is a natural mass which is made up of mineral and which make the earth crust. And plus in addition to that, the rocks are of different size, different color and texture. So what you will write here? Rock is a natural mass made up of mineral which are forming the earth crust, and rocks can be of different types. They are having different shape, they are having different color, they are having different texture. So moving to discuss the third question. Name 3 types of rocks. So first we discuss about what is rock. Second question is asking about the 3 types of rocks which we studied in very deeply. So the 3 types of rocks are igneous rock, then sedimentary rock, and after that metamorphic rock. So 3 types of rocks are igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic. Moving to the fourth question. Fourth question speaks and asking answer from us, how are extrusive and intrusive rocks formed? So here the question is speaking to us how the extrusive and intrusive rocks are formed. So for more clear picture, we are moving into the flashback where we have seen the types of rock. The first type of rock, igneous rock. The igneous rocks outside the earth, above the earth. So the igneous rocks are formed, they are called as extrusive igneous rock. Moving to the volcanic eruption. The volcano is there. From the crater, the molten magma is coming out, and magma while coming out then known as lava, and lava flows. And due to the lava is flowing and due to the climate, atmosphere is cool, so that lava quickly cools down and forms the rock. So that rock are called as exclusive because they are forming outside. Then they are called as exclusive igneous rock. Then in the part of intrusive igneous rock, what you will write? In a earth deeper, the molten magma solidified and they take lots of time to cool down because they will be hot only inside, and then the solidification of the rock type is going to be called as intrusive igneous rock. So how they are formed? They are formed due to volcanic activity. They form with the hot molten magma. Outside it is called as lava when it is flowing due to solidification of that exclusive. Inside the earth deeper, they are getting some chamber and there the molten magma move, and due to solidification of that the rock is formed. That rock is called as intrusive igneous rock. Next, moving to the fifth question. What the fifth question is asking the answer from us. So what do you mean by rock cycle? So here we are talking about what is rock cycle or what do you mean by rock cycle. So when one rock transfer itself into the another one. So transformation of the rock from one to another in a cyclic manner, that is called as rock cycle. For an example, igneous rock convert into sedimentary. Sedimentary again convert into metamorphic. Metamorphic again convert into the molten magma, and the molten magma solidify and again become the igneous rock. So this is the continuous chain is moving. So that chain is called as a cycle of a rock. Once again, rock cycle. One rock is there, igneous rock. That igneous rock due to rolling, weathering, then break down into small fragments. That fragments are called as the sediments. These sediments used to collect at one point, and due to solidification of that, the igneous rock will convert into sediment. And due to the great heat and pressure, this igneous rock and sedimentary rock both will convert into metamorphic. And with the heat and pressure, again the metamorphic rock again convert into liquid form and form the molten magma, and that molten magma again it will come out from the earth crust and it will become solid and form igneous rock. So the cycle will continue changing. So that is called as rock cycle. In a very simple sentence, rock cycle means when one rock transferred itself to the another one. The transformation of one rock to another in a cyclic manner, that is called rock cycle. Rock cycle is a cycle or a cyclic chain of rock. When one rock transforms into another in a cyclic manner, that is called rock cycle. So you can frame your own answer, you can write in your own words what is rock cycle. So again we will see the next part, sixth one. What are the uses of rock? So question is very important to us. Already I have shown you the photograph of uses of rock. How we are using the rocks, we have seen. So the uses of rocks are for the construction purpose. So what we are constructing? Roads, house, buildings, monuments, so many things we are constructing with the help of these rocks. Plus, in add to it, we are using the rocks for playing purpose. So small rocks which we are calling the stones, we are playing with that game. So the one game name is Pittu, keeping the 7 stone. Another is Stapu, making the triangles on that and placing 1, 2, 3, and we are placing on that and we are playing. Again we are playing Gitti with the 5 stones. So we are having many uses of rocks. So in this answer you will write the uses of rocks are, the rocks are used for construction purpose like roads, building, monuments and many more infrastructure. Plus we are using rocks for playing purpose. In that we have to mention Pittu and Stapu and Gitti, the 3 names. If you want to add many games which are played by the rocks, you can mention it. The next 7th question. What are metamorphic rocks? So here already in this question we talked about there are the discussed about that. So this is the last type of rock. So metamorphic rock is that kind of a rock due to the heat and pressure when igneous and sedimentary both the rock convert into the another rock. That type of rock is going to be called as metamorphic rock. Igneous rock, sedimentary rock, due to the heat and pressure they convert and form the another type of rock. That type of rock is going to be called as metamorphic rock. Example of limestone is converting into marble. So here this 7th question is over. The 7th question, their answer already in my previous presentation I explained very clearly. Your job is now to write the question and write its answer by your own. You can take the help of NCERT textbook also. From the textbook also you can see directly, and the questions are very easy and directly answered. What are the 3 layers of earth? What is rock? Name the 3 types of rocks. What are exclusive and intrusive rocks? What do you mean by rock cycle? What are the uses of rock? And last one, what are metamorphic rocks? So moving forward to discuss the second question, we will see the next slide. So here we are going to see about tick the correct answer. So in the tick the correct answer we are going to see the question number 1. First, the rock which is made up of molten magma. So by seeing the option 1, 2 and 3, quickly in your mind the answer is ready. And yes, you are correct. Which is the correct answer? Which is the correct answer? So igneous is the correct answer. Because igneous rocks are formed by this molten magma. Due to solidification of the molten magma, the igneous rocks form. Yes, answer A, igneous. So igneous is the correct answer. Moving toward second question. The innermost layer of the earth is crust is there, core is there or mantle. So as already we know about, the crust is there, the mantle is there and core is there. So the earth is there, so outer shell is crust, then after the second layer is mantle and the third one is the core. So the question is asking innermost. So the answer is very clear here. So crust, core and mantle. Innermost, so the core is the innermost. So the core is the correct answer. Answer number B, core, correct answer. Moving to the third point. Gold, petroleum, coal are the example of, whether they are example of rocks, whether they are example of mineral, whether they are example of fossils. So in this question, gold, petroleum and coal, every day we are using this type of resources. So these are called as minerals. Gold, petroleum and coal are example of minerals. Please write down the correct answer. Mineral B is the correct answer. Moving to the next question. Rocks which contain fossils, sedimentary, metamorphic or igneous. Earlier we discussed about igneous rocks formed from the molten magma. So this answer is not there. Metamorphic rock due to the heat and pressure they forms, so it will not come. So which is remaining now? Sedimentary. So how sedimentary rocks? The sedimentary rocks, small sediments, they collect, they harden, then the sedimentary rock. If any fossils will be there inside that, fossils means the dead animal or plant which are trapped into the rock. So the sedimentary rock is the correct answer. Okay, so the A is the correct answer, sedimentary rock. Moving to the next. Fifth one, the thinnest layer of the earth is. So the thinnest layer of the earth is which one is the thinnest one? So crust, mantle and core. So mantle is the thickest one. This is highly dense and at the center. So the crust is the correct answer, that is the thinnest one. Already we studied in the presentation number 1. Answer number A, crust. Please make a note of it. Crust is the correct answer. And already the student who has studied properly the presentations given by me to you, by seeing the question in your mind, that quickly the answer is coming. Yes, the correct answer is crust. Next, moving towards match the following. So here we are going to see about matching the correct answer. So in that we will see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 options and the correct answers are hidden here. You have to search the correct answer. Match the following with the A to this A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So A is talking about core. So what is core? Any similarity or any specific feature related to core is available here. We will check it. So core. So we are directly going the innermost layer. So the first one and its answer is innermost. Second, minerals. So what are minerals? So minerals are having a definite chemical composition. So the second is having the answer as a definite chemical composition. Then third, rocks. So as we talked about the uses of rock, so quickly your eyes is moving here. So rocks used for roads and building purpose. Then fourth one, clay. So what is clay? Clay is the one of the example of metamorphic rock, or it's in a chain process. So we are going to clay. So what the clay is doing? So changes into the state. So the clay moving into the change of forming, so converting into shape, that's the example of metamorphic. Fourth one, that changes into this. Then the cell, that means made up of silicon. Si stands for silicon, and Al means to be aluminum. So the first one, core, innermost. Second one, mineral, definite chemical composition. Rocks used for roads and this. Then fourth, clay, changing F1 and sill. Fifth one is made up of silicon and aluminum. So here we are seeing matching the following. The rest of this, the process of transformation of the rock, it is not in the correct answer. So let's to discuss the fourth question. So here the fourth question is speaking, give reasons. So we have to give reason. We cannot go to the center of the earth. So why we cannot go? If we want to go, we have to dig up to 6,000 km deep on the ocean floor. And that is quite impossible for us to do that. So that's the reason we cannot go to the center of the earth. From the crust, we have to cross the mantle, then we have to reach to the pole. That means we have to dig the ocean floor up to 6,000 km inside. So that is impossible. Sedimentary rocks are formed from sediment. So here we have to give the reason how the sedimentary rocks are formed. So students, please have attention. Sedimentary rocks. Igneous rocks, due to the rolling, weathering, what happens? Break down into small fragments. That fragments are called as sediments. These sediments transported by wind and water, and they collect somewhere and become hardened. After becoming hardened, they form one layer, then another layer. This layering purpose, this sediment collect down and form layer and forms one rock. That rock is called as sedimentary rock. So sedimentary rocks are formed from sediments. How? I explained to you. Igneous rock, from that small fragments, that sediments will come out due to the weathering purpose and transported and deposited, transported by which? Wind and air, and deposited features and becoming hardened layer by layer. So the sediments become sedimentary rock. The last one, limestone is changed into marble. So the limestone, here we are giving the example of igneous and sedimentary rock. Due to the heat and pressure, they convert into metamorphic rock. So marble is a metamorphic rock example. So due to the heat and pressure, the igneous and sedimentary rock convert themselves into the metamorphic rock. So the limestone get changed into marble due to the heat and pressure. Next, here we are winding up our chapter. We have discussed about all the question and answer. If still you feel about to ask any question and is more explanation, please let me know. So in upcoming presentation, we will carry that point and we will discuss here. So let's see the overview of this chapter, what we have studied and what we talked in this chapter inside our earth, what we discussed. So in this overview, we had seen about the interior of the earth first. In that we had seen the three layers of the earth. Layer 1 crust, layer 2 mantle, layer 3 core. Interior of the earth and its extension. Then the rock and mineral. So what is rock? We talked about that. A natural mass made up of mineral which is forming the earth crust. Minerals we are talking about, they are having a definite chemical composition and a physical properties. Then we have seen the uses of minerals and rock both. Then we have seen the types of rock, igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic rock. We have seen how they form and what are their two types of igneous rock. Then lastly we have seen what is rock cycle. How one rock is transforming to the another and another to another in a cyclic manner, that is called as rock cycle. So here in this overview, the chapter ends over here. If still you need any explanation on any topic, you please let me know. Here the homework part, draw the diagram of the rock cycle is compulsory for you. It may be appear in the examination for 5 marks. Draw and label the diagram of rock cycle. Next, all the question answers. Then rocks I had given in the first presentation. Collect some rocks. So you can collect some rocks with you, and later on we will discuss about the rocks and their bifurcation, whether they are igneous, sedimentary or metamorphic. Lastly, Jai Hind to everyone and thanking to each and everyone. So for watching this video, please make a note of all the questions and write the answer properly in your notebook. And till now, be safe and secure. Jai Hind Vanda.